What's up, YouTube? Thank you for watching. It's been about a month since I took delivery of my Freego X2 Electric Dirtbike. So in this video, I'll show you my recent pedal to peg conversion, and I'll take you guys for a little off-road ride. If you enjoy PEV content, please like and subscribe for more 4K HDR POV rides from me coming up in the future. My channel is just getting started, so your sub would mean the world to me. Please, please, please subscribe. Thank you so much. This is Manny Monroy coming to you today with an update on the Freego X2. It's been about 1.5 months since I've taken delivery of the bike, and I've done a few mods to it, changed a few things, so I just want to give everyone an update. First and foremost, loving the bike, I have to say. A lot of viewers pointed out that I had my handlebars mounted backwards. I actually went ahead and reversed these. Previously, they arced downward instead of upward, so felt like I was kind of cramped on the bike. Thank you to the many people that pointed that out. I really appreciate it. It was actually the little mounting hub that needed to be flipped. I flipped it around, and then it made the handlebars come out the right direction. Instead of this way, they came out this way. But then the hardware was still on the wrong side. I couldn't just flip the bars because then the wires would have gotten all tangled. So I had to loosen all the hardware off the bars and flip their orientation to the other side. You might also notice on my handlebars, I got a little mirror. I got a rear view mirror on the left side. It mounts into the handlebar end. I got it off AliExpress. I think it was like 10 bucks. It's red. I think it looks pretty sick. It matches the red other components on the bike too, so really liking it. It's kind of hard to see though with when my arm's here. You see that my arm kind of blocks it. But if I kind of shrug my shoulder, I'm able to see behind me pretty decently. Another big thing that's different about the bike, you might notice there's no more pedals. I did a pedal and crank and derailleur and chain delete. The gears I kept, I don't know if they acted as some sort of spacers, but I kept them. But it was really easy to do this mod. All I had to do was loosen this nut here. The derailleur was kept on with a sort of like U-like fashion. So once I removed it, the nut, I removed the derailleur mount. The chain sort of unhooked. The crank and pedals I just loosened up, and then they were kind of like press fitted. So I did use a rubber mallet to sort of knock them off each side. What I have in place here, you'll notice that these aren't static. They spin around. It's an 8mm bolt here, so it's compatible with the Harley-Davidson shift peg. So I purchased these on AliExpress for a few bucks, but I think I'm gonna trade them in or get some other ones that are cylindrical. I thought these would look cool, but since they rotate, they look dumb at times. So if they're cylindrical, they'll look always in the same orientation. I did buy some replacement rotors. I just bought them because I had spent a lot of time tweaking the front rotor so that it wouldn't rub and make noise. Now it doesn't make noise, but I was just worried about its strength over time due to all the tweaking. And then recently my rear rotor has started to make noise, just brake squeal. It's not actually rubbing. So today I actually have some alcohol and I'm gonna try to clean that. Also new updates, I got a new helmet, pretty sweet. AliExpress. Originally I was working with this helmet, didn't really fit me well. Then I bought this helmet I really liked, but it was too small for my head. I'm actually an extra large, so this guy's kind of a monster, but it's XL, you can see back there. Really liking it so far. Even at XL it's a little snug. I think I got a big head. So I'm just gonna wipe down the rear rotor with alcohol because it's been making noise lately. It's still a little snug on my massive head. So today I'm gonna hit a Chino Hills local trail. So in eco mode, it still goes up hills really well, feels really fast. I think it cuts the top end a bit. One issue that persists with this bike, I've touched on it in my previous videos, the display is only in kilometers per hour. The manufacturer promised to roll out some sort of program in the future where you can swap out your display, but I've yet to hear more from them about that. I will be following up with them. So this is the head of the trail I was thinking here. I feel really confident and smooth on this bumpy terrain with the bike. Suspension eats it up. The knobby tires feel great as well. Yeah, on one hand, the knobby tires, when I'm going like slow on the cement, you can kind of hear them, and I'm sure they cause me to slow down a bit. They give you a lot of confidence on the dirt. That being said, one upgrade I want to do in the future to this bike is get a slightly more street-oriented tire. Something that can do a mix of a little off-roading and but more street-oriented. I'm not even giving it gas here. This is really downhill. Just braking a bit. I think a lot of the squeal is minimized in my rear brake. It squeals a little bit, but not as much as it was squealing before. And then I don't really get any rotor rubbing sounds at all. That's been fixed. Hey, look, a squirrel. So I'm going to shift into the sport mode here. And I'm going to try to take this big hill. This is the biggest hill I could find sort of locally. Steepest. Whew. Almost wiped out, guys. Got a little squirrely on me. Might have to walk this up. I will be trying this again. I'm walking it up and just revving it here. Getting little bursts of throttle. This sucks that I have to walk it up. Let's see if I can get on. There we go. So I've definitely made it up that hill before, off camera. That was just a user error. I let the bike get a little too squirrely on me. I needed to keep my weight pinned on it a little more. I'm winded. Just to give you a sense of the steepness of the hill. If this road wasn't so pitted and I didn't almost die, not almost die, but if I didn't get bucked off going up it, I would be down to go down it. But the road has proved treacherous, but you'll see the level of steepness, and it can definitely go up this hill. It's gone up before for me. I almost feel obligated to come around and do it again for you guys, for science. One thing I've noticed, so I also have some e-scooters. When you wipe out on the bike, or not wipe out, but lose balance or traction or whatever, you can sort of recover using your legs. Versus on the scooter, you just sort of eat shit and die. back around, boys. Let's try it again. You really feel the weight of this bike when rolling downhill. It has a lot of momentum that carries, especially with knobby tires. So with smooth tires, it'd probably carry a lot more weight or momentum moving forward. Okay, let's give this another go, boys. Take an alternate path, more leftward. Oh, oh, yes. So it does pitter out. Right now I'm throttling and then holding the brakes to keep me, and then doing it in blips that I can handle. I might be overheating a little bit. For those of you that don't know, it's been real hot here in Southern California. Oh, there we go. Okay, just needed a little help, I guess. I swear, maybe with a different line up the hill, it can do it. But it's really steep, so what's the most hill I think I'd ever really be climbing? On smooth ground, of course, it could destroy that. Okay, let's go back again. This time we'll go the other direction. Woo! Took a more direct route than the last time. Okay, going this way now. Oh shit, almost ate shit taking that turn. Yeah, the loose little mini rocks really make you lose traction. Holy shit. To climb this hill with, I would say this is almost as equal steepness as the other one that we failed, except there's not a bunch of cuts in the ground, so it handled that. I don't trust my riding skill yet to take on this downhill portion, especially given how rocky it is, but one day, guys, I'll do it. But I'll go back down this way. Not quite as steep, but still pretty steep. sort of floor it through here. Oh shit. Okay, let's get out of the off-road for a bit. Let's cut through this nice little park area. One thing I love about bikes versus scooters is I can jump onto the grass whenever I want. I have I have some street-oriented scooters that I can't really do this transition of terrain very well with. Even right here, I can just go up the shit. Oh, love that capability on this thing. Some sort of little dirt path I could use instead. Yeah, that squeak is in the back wheel. Front one squeaks a little bit, but the back one almost whines like a donkey. I've never noticed this area. Looks maybe like I'm not supposed to go here. Oh, this is a cool little potentially off-road area for you guys. This is perfect. I'm glad I ended up right here.
Wait.
Hopefully I'm still recording and all.
Oh, bumpy.
Yeah, before, if I would try this kind of off-roading business, the chain and the derailleur and the pedals would be bucking around all nastily. Now the only thing really moving is my kickstand. Maybe I could stiffen that up a bit too. But I guess what I value in a bike is some rigidity and stability and some togetherness, maybe, I'm learning. Yeehaw. I'm sort of standing up. I'm scared I'm gonna run over a rattlesnake or something. Oh shit. Send it. Oh shit. Okay. Send it. Oh. Okay. Wow. I really made it to some off-roads, guys. This is the off-roads everyone wanted. Hopefully I'm still recording. I've actually tried 2 previous recording sessions. Okay, so I'm gonna get back from whence I came. I can cross over here somewhere. I was seeing a lot of wasps and shit. The display was bugging out there for a second. Woo! I made it, boys. It's hot. It's real hot out here. Overall though, the more I use my brakes, the less squeaky in general they feel. Maybe the solution is just to ride more. Go, baby. Pure speed. Pure speed. Maybe that's top speed for me, 75, 77, 78. I'm still going. I need to slow down for this red light though. I need to speed up. I feel like I'm keeping up with cars pretty good. Rough road is still rough road though. I'm going uphill a little bit. Yeah, probably around there, 78. Maybe I could top out on flat. I don't know. That's kilometers per hour, so I still have no idea what that is in freedom units. wasn't like the most off-road thing, but I hope that sort of satisfied some people's curiosity about trailing capabilities of this bike and off-roading. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Manny Monroy. Have a good one.